Hi everyone, we're looking at the two Kershaw knives here. The one on the left is a Skyline. The one on the right is a Knockout. We're gonna do a comparison between those two knives. Those two knives are using the Samick 14C28 steels because they're both using the same steel but at a different price point. So that's why we're doing comparison. Knockout is more expensive. It's around the price range $60. The Skyline is around the range $40. Okay, let's look at the Skyline first. This one is not, the Skyline is not assisted opening, but it can also open fast. Just have to give it a swing with the wrist. Okay, let's look closer with this one. The blade length for the Skyline is 3.125 inch and uses G10 handle. The overall length of the blade total is around 7.25 inch. It weighs only 2.3 ounce because there is no steel liner inside. It's just G10 on the top and the bottom, so it's very light. Okay, here's a pocket clip. You can carry it either in tip up or tip down. Here it says the blade steel is 14C28N Kershaw. This knife is also very popular in the knife community because it's lightweight, it's a good steel, and it's very fun to play with it. It's good EDC. Okay, let's look at the bigger brother, Knockout here. Knockout has assisted opening, so opens smoother and faster. It's just very easy. Let me try again. Yeah, very easy. It has wider blade. The blade length is 3.25 inch. The closed length of this knife is less than 5 inch. The handle material is not G10 like the Skyline. It's actually aluminum scale, so it's very strong. Let's look closer in detail. You can carry this knife tip up, tip down, left and right. Has 4 positions. Okay. This is frame lock. I like this design here because when you actually push it, you won't be able to push it too far. It's gonna stop right here, so you won't damage the locking mechanism. This shape just awesome. It's very light and very comfortable in hand. Okay. Okay, let's put them side by side and take a look at it. So here's thickness and difference, about the same, but of course the width is totally different. The Skyline is more like sleek design. Okay. Those two knives are both very good. I like the Knockout better just because it has assisted opening, but it's more expensive. As I said, it's more like it's $20 more than the Skyline. Holds very nicely in hand. It does not have the jimping on the top, but it's still okay. Very nice. And the Skyline, it's cheaper, but it's easy to carry. It's lightweight. It doesn't have the assisted opening, but still can be fast. Okay. Thanks for watching. I'll have the item link for those two items below. Thank you.